welcome Mr. Pythagoras. Sir, how are you feeling today?
I'm very happy with it.
Thank you, sir. Your famous idea, Pythagoras Theorem, is something students can hear often. Can you please tell us what it means?
Certainly, imagine a right angle triangle with two shorter sides A and B and one longer side C called the hypotenuse. Many years ago, I discovered a special relationship between these three sides. I found that if you have drawn a square with each side of a right angle triangle, the area of the larger square is equal to the sum of the areas of the other two squares. This relationship can be written as A square plus B square is equal to C square. For example, if A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4, A square is equal to 9 and B square is equal to 16. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25, C square is equal to 25 and then C is equal to 5. And
That's very interesting, sir. So your idea helps us to find the missing lengths when we have a rectangle triangles. So now to make this program even meaningful, let us all move on to the field reporters who are studying on the real life situation where the mathematics is being used right now.
Our first live report is from a construction site. Here, an engineer has placed the ladder against the wall. Now, suppose the worker needs to reach no distance the wall from one side forms a side of the right angle triangle. The long distance forms the second side. The ladder cracks the longer side called the Pythagorean. Now, worker needs to reach a particular height on the wall. How do we know the exact lateral and right one? This is where Pythagoras Theorem helps us. Using A square plus B square to B square, where A is equal to height of the wall, B is equal to distance of the ladder from the wall, and C is equal to length of the wall. We can find the exact ladder length required. This helps us engineer choose the correct ladder and ensure safe construction work. So Pythagoras Theorem helps us find unknown distances and play an important role in construction and engineering. Thank you.
Move on to the next reporter.
Hello all, now we are at the school stage. Two students start from the same corner and wants to reach the opposite corner. Student A walks along the sides of the stage. Student B walks diagonally. Let's see what's happened. Student B reaches fast because the diagonal path is the shortest. The length and width of the stage forms two sides of the right angle triangle, and the diagonal path forms the hypotenuse. By using the A square plus B square is equal to C square formula, we can measure the exact length of the diagonal path. So, Pythagoras theorem helps us to find the shortest distance between two points. So, Pythagoras theorem is used whenever we need to find the direct distance without directly measuring it.
Pythagoras theorem is not just a mathematical formula. It helps us to solve the real life problems such as finding the ladder length and shortest distance between two points. Sir, do you have any message for the students?
mathematics is everywhere around us. Keep learning and keep exploring and you will discover how useful mathematics is in our everyday life.
Thank you, sir. Thank you everyone for joining us on the Math News Live.